Hello. This is a '07 BMW 328i, and I just gonna show you how to remove the door panel, and I also gonna show you this particular vehicle has a problem with the door lock, door actuator. I believe that's the problem. That's why I'm going to remove the door panel and see what's going on. If you see what it does, it make a weird sound. So we're gonna check what it's making that happening. So I'm gonna first remove the door panel, and I'm gonna use this tool. I'm gonna remove this trim. Yeah, if you see, it's held by this studs 4, 6, 7, and well, just put it on the side. Gonna try to point where it is held by 3 screws, but I gotta use a flashlight in order to see it. 2 and 3 screws, and you gotta use the Torx T20. This is the one you need to remove 1, 2 and 3 screws in order to pop the panel out of there. So let's do that. Alright, so now we gotta pop the panel out. So I suggest start from this corner. And you see right here, you gotta deattach the speaker wires. Let me see if I can show you. Just gotta deattach the speaker wires and the door handle cable right here. All right. So I don't have anybody else to help me out to hold the camera. So, but this is pretty much as this one, this, and the door locks, the Windows cable right here. All this harness gotta be attached along with this one. All right. So I don't have anybody to hold my camera, so I need both hands. So I gotta do it myself. So I already deattached these wires, and one more on the bottom. That's the light. Let me see. Let's go in here. Just for the light. Okay. Bulb light. So I just want to show you how it is. If you are a professional, probably this video don't fit you, but I want to show the rest of everybody who watched this video how to remove in a proper way, step by step. But if you know already how to do it, probably this video is not for you. But in order to deattach this handle cable, you just gotta remove this how do you say, this pin. You just gotta pop it out. Once it's like that, all you have to do is pull it up. Okay, let me see. That's how it goes. You just pull it up, and as soon as it's out, pull it this way. Okay, very simple. And I want to show you the last okay, I'm flipping the whole door panel in order for you guys to see it. This is the harness. Go to my switches, and in order to remove this one, you have to press right here, press down, and you see this one, this is hold it down. So once you press here, you move this one back, push it back, and you just pull it out all the way back, and it will come out like that. It's a little tricky, but very simple. So, and I believe you will have the door panel out just like that. So yeah.